Hi, first grade families, just a weekly update. This Thursday, April 30th, I will be coming around to drop off new packets of work, and at that time I can take any finished work that students have completed. Finished work can also be delivered to the school Monday, Wednesday, Friday between 10 and noon. Photos of your work can be submitted on Seesaw, Dojo, or text. But like I said, I will be around this Thursday to collect any old work and drop off new work. I've posted our weekly activity online. Friends that have been completing work online, I've got their initials here. This information has also been sent to you via Class Dojo and Seesaw. It can also be found on our first grade Facebook page. We have had an increase in students participating online, and we've had communication with about 14 out of 19 families this past week. Something new and exciting, first grade is going to try using Zoom tomorrow, Wednesday, April 29th at 1 p.m. This is going to be a show and tell for just first grade students with Mrs. Abdo's class and Ms. Sarotnik's class as well. Tomorrow I will send out a link via Seesaw and Dojo. It's not something I'm going to put on Facebook because we just want to invite our students. So all you need to do is click on the link that I send you. You do not need to download anything. And then once you click on the link, you will be invited into the meeting space, and the teachers will take it from there because the teachers will be in charge of leading that meeting. So if you have questions, please text or call me. And as always, remember, take it one day at a time. Do what works for your family. And reach out to teachers and the school for help.